Sure. Here's a product description you can use for the striped double wall glass mug, striped double wall tea milk juice coffee water cup, high borosilicate glass mug, clear, heat resistant, gift ready. Elevate your drinking experience with this elegant striped double wall glass mug, crafted from premium high borosilicate glass for maximum durability and thermal resistance. Featuring a sleek, striped design and double wall insulation. This mug keeps your beverages hot or cold longer while remaining comfortable to the touch, no condensation or burning hands. Whether you're enjoying a morning espresso, sipping on tea, indulging in creamy milk, or relaxing with a splash of whiskey, this versatile glass is perfect for all occasions. Its clear, minimalist design adds a modern touch to your kitchen or office, making it a stylish gift for coffee lovers, tea enthusiasts, or anyone who appreciates quality glassware. Features: made from high borosilicate glass, durable and heat-resistant, double wall insulation, keeps drinks hot/cold and protects your hands. Elegant striped design adds a sophisticated visual element, perfect for coffee, tea, juice, milk, water, espresso, whiskey, and more. Clear and modern look, complements any setting, great as a gift for birthdays, holidays, housewarmings, or special occasions.